Innotherm presents the Binaire Monobloc Heat Pump. A simple and ingenious device that will meet the expectations of every home or condominium owner. The Binaire Monobloc Heat Pump operates on a simple set of principles. Ingenuity. Each room in the home has air supply and exhaust openings. Air conditioning and heating are thus simply and efficiently distributed throughout the home. Binaire's Monobloc heat pump uses outdoor air via insulated ducts. Ergonomics. With Binaire's uniquely designed rail system, you can effortlessly remove or replace the main component, allowing easy maintenance and servicing without having to disassemble any ductwork. The fully insulated casing makes the unit practically noiseless. And it's easy to install thanks to its revolutionary ergonomic design. The heat pump can be installed in a small mechanical room or even in a closet. In this way, it replaces the many split units that infringe on exterior architecture. Innovation. Extremely powerful, Binaire's Monobloc heat pump can cover a surface of up to 2,000 square feet. Maximize efficiency with Innotherm's advanced mobile application. Complete temperature control is at your fingertips with its user-friendly interface and multiple settings. Our country is experiencing the consequences of climate change. So who better to design a smart heat pump? Binaire's Monobloc heat pump was envisioned, designed, and manufactured here in Canada. A heat pump developed by us, for us. Innotherm. Innovation, efficiency, comfort.